In this video I'm going to set up a model in the Jumper T8SG radio with 4-channel plane, Rates and Expo. So turn the radio on first, go to the model menu, model setup, go down and choose what you're going to set up, which is a plane. Set my power at full power. Set the protocol you want to use. Mine is FrSky X series. You can bind it later on and give it an ID if you want to. And we're right to go. Okay. You can give the model a name if you want to. I won't bother with that one. Alright, so that's all set. So now go to Template, press Enter, 4-channel with dual rates. Now go to Mixer to check that out. And you can see we have aileron channel 1 with Expo and dual rate, elevator channel 2, throttle channel 3 with no Expo or dual rates on it, which is good because you don't want that, and rudder on channel 4 with Expo and dual rates. So let's go in and have a look at how the Expo and dual rates are set up. Channel 1, source is aileron, the high rate is 1:1, no rate or Expo, the scale is 100, so you're getting full throws. And the switch, now this is a bit confusing, this isn't the switch for high rate, this is the switch for mid rate. So it's already set up on the D switch in the middle position, that's D1. I'll leave that. It shows you it's the mid rate, it shows it's linked, so it'll sort of accept any Expo that's put into the high rate. The scale is 60. I might just bump that up to 75, just to show you some of the adjustments you can do. Now this one here is the switch for a low rate if you want to put one in. There isn't one put in, so what I'm going to do is choose the up position, or D0, as the low rate. It's linked, so it'll do the same as the other ones. The scale is 100, so we'll drop that down to, say, 50. 50, there we go. Make sure you save it, otherwise all your good work will be spoiled. Now let's have a look at that again. Expo and dual rates. High rate for the aileron is 1:1. Now actually what I might do is put in some Expo here. So instead of the 1:1 curve, let's go and find the Expo curve. Expo there. I want to put 30% Expo in, so push enter on Expo. Symmetrical curve, yes. Increase the value to 30. There we go. See how it bends the middle of the curve. Save that. So now the high rate for aileron has Expo 30 and rate of 100. The mid rate is on D1 switch position. It's linked to the high rate, so it's got the same Expo curve. The rate is 75. The low rate, switch position D0, which is up, is also linked, has the rate of 50. So let's just get out of that to see how that looks in the channel monitor. So I'm operating the aileron there and it's going 50 to one side, 50 to the other side. That's because I'm on low rate. I'll switch to mid rate, it goes up to 75 to 75, and get switch to high rate, 100 to 100. Now a little trick to be aware of. We didn't actually select the switch for the high rate, that just slots into whatever of the 3 switch positions is left. We selected the D1 position, middle position, for mid rate, and the D0 position, top position, for low rate. That's the way I like to set up my rates, so that I start on the low rate, then increase it if I need to. Remember to always save, otherwise all your good work is lost. So we've set it up for the aileron. Now you can go in and set it up for elevator and rudder the same way if you want to. It's up to you.